ma tapa, võtan kätte mikrofoni teise õllekapa. Põltsamaal, Võrus, Tartus või Tapal, kõik inimesed kuulavad, kui rääkima hakkan teile Eestimaa elust, soojast Viru õlust ja Hollywoodi melust. Mägesid ei ole, jõed on väiksed, metsas on mustikad ja kahepaiksed. Torupildis saatel aknast välja vaatan, kusagile kadunud on kommunismi saatan. Roosasid prille ma iga päev kannan, kirjustele 500 krooniseid annan. Jõud, tulge meile külla, jõud, tulge meile külla, jõud, tulge meile külla, tulge meile külla. Welcome to Estonia. Oh yeah, ja viima meid. Welcome to Estonia. Koiviku lippu, kas leppimas meid.
It was great and I've met lots of friends and made contacts and the life in the woods was really nice.
That was really amazing. Probably, I think everything was cool.
Awesome. Okay, and the most greatest thing?
We got the forest when we got to do the missions. It started like very fast paced, like constant stress. You don't know what's ahead of you. The whole camp, the people, it's very nice. In my opinion, it's the best and the hardest camp that I did in this year.
It was really good, thank you.